Car manufacturers executed the biggest automotive conspiracy in European history, and most drivers don't even realize they've been manipulated. For 50 years, Europeans proudly drove manual transmissions while laughing at American automatics. Now 68% of European cars are automatic, and it wasn't your choice. It was the systematic manipulation by manufacturers who profit more from automatic repairs. One leaked document reveals how BMW makes €3,200 more per car on automatic maintenance over 10 years. Another shows Volkswagen deliberately programming clutch failures to force automatic upgrades. The most shocking? European governments helped kill manuals to increase tax revenue from expensive automatic repairs. This isn't evolution, it's coordinated theft disguised as progress. European car manufacturers orchestrated the systematic elimination of manual transmissions not because customers wanted change, but because automatics generate massive ongoing profit through expensive repairs, complex service requirements, and planned obsolescence strategies. Internal industry documents reveal a coordinated conspiracy to manipulate European buyers away from reliable, affordable manual transmissions toward profit-maximizing automatic systems. The speed of this transition exposes the artificial nature of the shift. In 2017, 78% of European cars were manual. By 2023, only 32% remained manual, a 46% shift in just 6 years. Natural market evolution doesn't happen this quickly. This represents coordinated market manipulation through manufacturing decisions, dealer incentives, and regulatory pressure designed to force automatic adoption. The financial impact on European families is devastating. Manual transmission repairs average around €380 annually, while automatic maintenance costs €1,250 plus per year. Multiply this across millions of vehicles, and the industry generates billions in additional revenue through forced automatic adoption while destroying affordable transportation options. If you value honest automotive information, smash that subscribe button and hit the notification bell, because this conspiracy affects every European driver and costs families thousands annually. At Reason 7, we expose how car manufacturers systematically killed manual transmissions because automatic repairs generate 340% higher profit margins than manual maintenance. Internal BMW service documents reveal the company makes €3,200 more per vehicle over 10 years from automatic maintenance versus manual repairs. The profit manipulation operates through multiple layers of deception. Automatic transmissions require proprietary fluids costing €180 per service versus €45 for manual transmission oil. Complex electronic components fail predictably, generating €800 plus diagnostic and repair sessions that independent mechanics cannot perform. Manual transmissions can be repaired anywhere. Automatics trap customers in expensive dealer networks. Manufacturer training materials explicitly teach dealers to discourage manual transmission sales through psychological manipulation. Customers inquiring about manuals are told they're outdated and difficult to resell or unsuitable for modern driving. Sales staff receive higher commissions for automatic sales, creating financial incentives to mislead customers away from affordable manual options. The parts pricing conspiracy reveals systematic customer exploitation. Automatic transmission components cost 400% more than manual equivalents while providing identical function. A manual clutch replacement costs €650 including labor, while automatic transmission service requires €2,100 plus for comparable maintenance intervals. Warranty manipulation compounds the profit extraction. Manual transmissions receive longer coverage because manufacturers know they are reliable. Automatic warranties are deliberately limited because manufacturers expect expensive failures that generate post-warranty service revenue. Customers pay premium prices for inferior long-term value. European service data confirms the profit motivation. Automatic equipped vehicles generate €1,847 average annual dealer revenue versus $523 for manual equivalents. The difference isn't better service, it's systematic financial exploitation disguised as technological advancement. Reason 6 exposes how manufacturers deliberately program automatic transmission failures to generate replacement revenue while engineering manual transmissions to last decades without major service. Internal Volkswagen software documentation reveals automatic transmissions are programmed with failure algorithms that activate after warranty expiration. The electronic control module manipulation is sophisticated and deliberate. Automatic transmissions use software that monitors shift patterns, temperatures, and mileage to calculate optimal failure timing. The system gradually degrades performance to encourage expensive rebuilds or replacements, typically costing around €4,500 per incident. Contrast this with manual transmission engineering focused on durability. Manual gearboxes use mechanical components designed to last 300,000 kilometers plus with basic maintenance. No electronic controllers to fail, no complex software to malfunction, no expensive sensors requiring replacement. Manual transmissions represent honest engineering. Automatics represent profit optimization. The diagnostic manipulation prevents customer awareness of deliberate failures. When automatic transmissions develop problems, dealer diagnostic systems often misidentify symptoms to maximize repair costs. Simple software issues are diagnosed as hardware failures requiring expensive component replacement and extensive labor charges. Leaked technical bulletins reveal manufacturers' knowledge of systematic automatic transmission problems while publicly denying design defects. Companies budget for specific failure rates and replacement cycles, proving they engineer problems rather than solve them. This isn't accidental. It's criminal conspiracy against customer interests. Independent mechanics can't access proprietary diagnostic systems, forcing customers into expensive dealer networks when automatics fail. Manual transmissions can be repaired anywhere with basic tools, while automatic repairs require manufacturer-specific equipment and training deliberately restricted to authorized dealers charging premium rates. In Reason 5, we reveal how manufacturers used electric vehicle adoption as cover for eliminating manual transmissions across their entire lineups, not just electric models. The EV transition provided perfect justification for removing manual options from gasoline and diesel vehicles while claiming future compatibility. The manipulation operates through false scarcity creation. Manufacturers claim manual transmissions are incompatible with hybrid systems, yet Toyota successfully combines manual transmissions with hybrid powertrains in other markets. European manufacturers chose incompatibility to force automatic adoption while hiding their profit motivations behind environmental positioning. Production line manipulation eliminates customer choice through artificial manufacturing constraints. Manufacturers claim manual production is uneconomical while simultaneously spending billions on automatic transmission development. They created the scarcity by deliberately choosing not to offer manual options rather than responding to customer demand. The regulatory capture reveals coordinated industry-government cooperation to eliminate manual transmissions. European emissions regulations conveniently favor automatic transmissions through testing procedures that give electronic control systems an advantage over mechanical efficiency. This isn't accidental. It's designed to support industry profit objectives. Dealer inventory manipulation ensures customers cannot purchase manual transmissions even when available. Dealers receive financial incentives to stock only automatic models while claiming manual versions are unavailable or require special orders, with extended waiting periods designed to discourage manual purchases. Young driver manipulation targets the next generation through driving school partnerships and automatic-only instructor training. New drivers are systematically prevented from learning manual skills, ensuring future market dependence on automatic transmissions. This represents generational automotive skill destruction for corporate profit. Reason 4 exposes the urban driving difficulty lie used to justify automatic transmission adoption while hiding that city driving actually favors manual transmission efficiency and control. Manufacturers created artificial problems through traffic light timing and infrastructure manipulation to make manual driving appear more difficult. The traffic management conspiracy involves coordinated changes to European traffic systems that deliberately favor automatic transmissions over manual efficiency. Traffic light timing was modified to create more stop-start conditions that advantage automatic systems while making manual driving artificially frustrating. Hill start manipulation reveals coordinated infrastructure changes designed to create manual transmission difficulties. Electronic handbrakes were introduced not for safety but to eliminate mechanical handbrake techniques that made manual hill start simple and reliable. This forced drivers towards automatic solutions for artificially created problems. Parking space sizing represents another layer of manipulation designed to favor automatic transmissions. European cities systematically reduced parking space sizes, making precise manual maneuvering more difficult while automatic systems provide easier slow-speed control. This wasn't urban planning, it was automotive market manipulation. The congestion charge conspiracy reveals how European cities coordinated emission-based charging systems that favor newer automatic vehicles over older manual cars. These systems aren't environmental. They're designed to force vehicle replacement towards automatic alternatives while generating revenue from manual transmission owners. Ride-sharing service manipulation eliminates manual transmission exposure for young adults. Uber, Bolt, and other services exclusively use automatic vehicles, ensuring young Europeans never experience manual transmission benefits. This systematic exposure control shapes preferences towards automatic dependence. At Reason 3, we exposed the dealer commission scandal that systematically bribes sales staff to push automatic transmissions, while deliberately misleading customers about manual availability and benefits. European dealer commission structures create financial incentives for sales fraud targeting unsuspecting customers. The commission structure manipulation reveals systematic sales staff bribery. Dealers receive between €800 and €1,200 higher commissions for automatic sales versus manual equivalents, creating powerful financial incentives to mislead customers about transmission options. Sales staff are literally paid to lie about manual availability and benefits. Training material manipulation teaches dealers psychological manipulation techniques specifically targeting manual transmission customers. Sales staff learn to use phrases like resale concerns, modern expectations, and convenience features to shame customers away from manual choices towards more profitable automatic alternatives. Inventory manipulation ensures manual transmissions remain unavailable even when customers specifically request them. Dealers deliberately avoid stocking manual variants while claiming customer demand determines inventory decisions. This artificial scarcity forces customers towards unwanted automatic alternatives or expensive special orders with extended delays. Test drive manipulation prevents customers from experiencing manual transmission benefits through coordinated unavailability of manual demo vehicles. Dealers ensure customers can only test automatic variants, eliminating direct comparison opportunities that might favor manual alternatives. Finance manipulation structures loan and lease terms to artificially favor automatic purchases through lower interest rates and extended terms unavailable for manual equivalents. This creates false financial advantages for automatic transmissions while hiding higher total ownership costs through maintenance and repair expenses. The trade-in manipulation systematically undervalues manual transmission vehicles while inflating automatic trade-in prices. Dealers create artificial market conditions that punish manual ownership while rewarding automatic adoption, forcing customers into unwanted transmission changes during vehicle replacement cycles. Reason 2 reveals how European governments actively participated in manual transmission elimination because automatic repairs generate higher VAT revenue, vehicle registration fees, and service tax collection. This represents systematic government-industry cooperation against citizen interests for revenue maximization. The VAT manipulation operates through automatic transmission service complexity, requiring dealer visits subject to full tax rates versus manual maintenance, often performed by independent mechanics with lower tax collection. Governments collect on average €340 more annually per automatic vehicle through higher service taxation. Registration fee manipulation creates automatic transmission advantages through emission testing procedures that favor electronic control systems over mechanical efficiency. Modern automatic transmission receive better emissions ratings not through superior efficiency, but through testing methodology that advantages computer-controlled systems. The inspection regime manipulation requires automatic transmissions to undergo complex electronic diagnostic procedures, generating higher testing fees and more frequent inspection requirements. Manual transmissions require simple mechanical checks that generate minimal government revenue, creating official bias towards automatic alternatives. Licensing manipulation targets new drivers through automatic-only testing options that generate higher examination fees while creating permanent manual transmission restrictions. Governments profit from both higher testing costs and ongoing automatic dependence through restricted licensing systems. Import duty manipulation favors automatic transmissions through classification systems that treat manual gearboxes as luxury features, subject to higher tariffs, while automatic systems receive standard equipment classifications with reduced import costs. The governmental market manipulation artificially inflates manual transmission prices. Professional driver licensing requires automatic transmission training for commercial applications, ensuring taxi, delivery, and transport drivers cannot access cheaper manual alternatives. This systematic professional market manipulation forces entire industry sectors towards automatic dependence while generating higher licensing revenue. The number one reason manufacturers killed manual transmissions reveals the most sinister conspiracy: systematic destruction of independent repair networks to force customer dependence on expensive dealer service systems. This represents coordinated elimination of automotive choice and competition for maximum profit extraction. The diagnostic system manipulation eliminates independent repair capability through proprietary software requirements unavailable to non-dealer mechanics. Manual transmissions require no special diagnostic equipment. Automatics deliberately require expensive manufacturer-specific systems to perform basic maintenance and repairs. Parts distribution manipulation restricts automatic transmission components to authorized dealer networks while manual transmission parts remain widely available. This creates captive customer relationships where automatic transmission owners cannot access competitive repair pricing or independent service options. Training restriction manipulations prevent independent mechanics from accessing automatic transmission repair education, while manual transmission skills remain transferable across shops. Manufacturers deliberately limit technical knowledge distribution to protect dealer service monopolies and eliminate competitive pricing. Warranty manipulation voids coverage for automatic transmissions serviced by independent mechanics, while manual transmission warranties accept service from any qualified shop. This forces automatic transmission owners into expensive dealer relationships, while manual owners retain service choice and competitive pricing. Tool requirement manipulation makes automatic transmission service impossible without expensive manufacturer-specific equipment unavailable to independent shops. Manual transmissions require standard tools available anywhere, while automatics need proprietary diagnostic and service equipment costing €15,000 plus per system. The software manipulation requires ongoing subscription payments for automatic transmission diagnostic access, while manual transmissions need no computer interface. Manufacturers created permanent revenue streams through forced software dependence that eliminates customer choice and competitive repair markets. This coordinated conspiracy has devastated European family finances through systematic elimination of affordable transportation options. Manual transmission vehicles cost €1,200 less annually to maintain while providing superior reliability and longer service life. The forced transition to automatics represents a €3,000 plus annual tax on European families disguised as technological progress. The employment impacts extend beyond customer exploitation to systematic destruction of independent automotive repair industries. Thousands of European mechanics lost livelihoods as automatic transmission complexity eliminated competitive repair markets. This represents coordinated economic warfare against small business and customer choice. The environmental impact reveals the hypocrisy of automatic transmission promotion. Manual transmissions last longer, require fewer replacements, and generate less electronic waste than complex automatic systems. The environmental justification for automatic adoption actually increases resource consumption while generating higher profits. Young driver financial impact is particularly devastating as automatic dependence creates lifetime financial burdens through higher insurance, maintenance costs, and repair costs. Manual transmission skills provided economic freedom. Automatic dependence creates permanent financial vulnerability to manufacturer exploitation. The resale manipulation destroys vehicle ownership value through artificial manual transmission devaluation while inflating automatic pricing. This systematic market distortion transfers wealth from vehicle owners to manufacturers and dealers through coordinated price manipulation. Before purchasing any vehicle, research total ownership costs including insurance, maintenance, and repair expenses. Choose manual transmissions when available to avoid systematic financial exploitation. Support independent mechanics and resist dealer-only service requirements that eliminate competitive pricing. This conspiracy represents the greatest theft of automotive freedom in European history. Smart consumers must recognize and resist systematic market manipulation designed to extract maximum profit while destroying affordable transportation options. Hit that subscribe button for more automotive investigations exposing industry manipulation, and watch our video revealing how manufacturers deliberately engineer failures to generate repair revenue. The leaked documents will shock you.